suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know that I've been gone for a long time. I'm sorry if I look crazy right now. Maybe I shouldn't look crazy because I'm going to work. I just wanted to talk to you guys for just a minute. I have been really busy lately. I am actually moving and I'm really excited about that. So yeah, so I am moving. I'm moving to the city. And right now my house looks so crazy because I have been painting it. I've been getting it ready for the tenants that are gonna move in next week. So I'm excited and I'm tired, and I've been cleaning and I've been moving things. I've been getting things ready. I also been wanting to get my other place ready too. So the guys over there are actually, or the guy I should say, is gonna help me paint my other apartment. I'm really excited. I think that it's gonna be a good change, and I didn't decide to get rid of my house just yet. I think that I want to try out having tenants and see what happens. The ones that are gonna end up staying here are actually really nice. He's a teacher and she's a teacher too, and the two kids are really nice. So I'm excited about that. And as you can see, my house is a little crazy right now. Oh, I know it's been a while. I think my last video was my vlog from my trip, and after that a lot of things have happened and I'm really happy right now. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I know it's been a long ass time, and the reason why is because I will show you a little bit, but I moved. So I actually moved to the city, and it's been just crazy, just moving, trying to get everything done. As you guys can see, I have nothing. You can see Enzo there, but I have nothing right now. The TV's there, the table, I still have to get chairs for that, and that's actually my mom's TV. And then I have that mirror there that I am gonna hang it up. So it is a big mirror, but I'm just gonna hang it up, and I was thinking to do it here on this wall. The good thing is that the guys here helped me paint the 3 walls. So I painted this wall too, and that's where the TV is gonna go. And then I'm going to buy just something to put like different things on there. I want to put like a green plant here. And it's just a small kitchen here. It's actually a lot smaller than obviously my house. But I love it. I'm in the city, and my boyfriend lives nearby, so that helps. I'm actually gonna go get him right now because he went to Mexico for the holidays and he's coming back today. I'm actually running a little bit late, so I will see you guys later. I'm gonna just try to film a little bit more since I'm in the city now, and I want to show you guys different places. And yeah, so I will see you guys later. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been all over the place, and I'm sorry I look like I look pretty bad right now. And I only did foundation today, no concealer, and I think like you can definitely tell. But I wanted to film. Today is Sunday and I'm getting everything ready. I wanted to go to the grocery store, just do a few errands, just get a few things that I need for my apartment. And it's been crazy moving from the suburbs over to the city, and you know, it's been like going back to the house. And happened when I moved, so I rented the house and I got a new apartment here. So I was, at the same time when I was moving here, the people were moving into the house. And honestly, I was going back and forth for, I want to say like this whole month. I've been going like every other day over there, like even during work. And I'm sorry if I sound weird. I've been sick for, I want to say, the past 3 days. Getting a lot better now, but I know I can definitely tell. But yeah, so when I moved, the couches that I was bringing over here didn't fit. So my boyfriend knows the guy here, so they were holding the couches downstairs. And then like the people at the house were calling me for certain things, and I kept going over there. And then here, like, I didn't have couches, so I was like, I need my couch. And just trying to like move everything and working at the same time, it was really, really hard. But you know, I got a lot of help. My boyfriend has helped me a lot, and it's amazing to be now in the city. It's a different vibe and I'm loving it so far. But just trying to, I want to give you guys like a tour, but honestly it's not even that, it's not even done at all. So, but let me show you, so you can see. So here, this is where you walk in, and I'm sorry, like, I'm gonna go to, so I keep all like my jackets and sweaters and like shoes to work out. And then that's the couch there, and I'm actually gonna put the TV on the wall, but right now I think it's fine. There's Enzo and his bed. And the desk, I wanted to have it over there, but I think it's gonna look weird, so I might leave it there actually. I'm not sure, I'm still like playing with everything. And I got this couch and we went to get it yesterday, and it was, oh my god, it took us like, I want to say like 2 hours to get them inside. So we literally had to take the legs, the whole frame at the bottom, we had to take that out, get them in, because there's such a small space here between where the closet is and the door, and so it was really, really hard to get them in. So I'm just glad like we got them in. And my boyfriend actually got me this for Christmas, and it's a little bar, so I just need to fill it in. But it's so cute. He even got the little heart too. He got it with the glasses and everything. And he actually went to Mexico for Christmas, and I went to drop him off at the airport. And when I got here, like, it was already here, because obviously he knows the guys here. And when I walked in, I was like, holy shit, like, did I walk into the wrong apartment? But then he sent me a video, and he's so cute, like, he's so adorable. I love him. And my brother actually made this table for me, but I need to get high chairs. I've been like searching, but I just don't like what I've been seeing, and that's me right now. I look a little of a hot mess just because I'm gonna go just to the store. And yeah, so, and here is my room, which it looks like a mess right now. I'm sorry. So this chair, I don't even know where to put that chair. There is my boyfriend and I. And this is the closet. The good thing about the closet is that it's pretty big. I'm gonna have a TV there as well. The guy used to have a pretty big TV on there, and you know, I just don't want to tell him to paint it again because I think I'm gonna do the same thing. But Enzo's there, and that's the closet. It's pretty, I want to say it's an okay size since I have a bigger bed. And then here's the bathroom. I love the floor and the sink, and that's me right there. And yeah, I'm still working on a few things, as you guys can see. But I wanted to let you guys know, like, that's mainly the reason why I haven't really been filming. I've been like moving everything. I've been going back to the house, and it's been hard to go back to the house and come back. And then the holidays were here, and I was going back to see my family, and then Arturo was in Mexico, and then he got back, and I just wanted to spend time with him as well. This is really exciting for me, and I think it's a good move, and I just wanted to try it out. Like I mentioned, my friends, like, at least I want to get it out of my system at least a year or two, and I can always go back to the burbs. But I love it right now. Enzo loves it. He sees dogs everywhere. And yeah, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and go get some groceries and get back home and see if maybe I have dinner with Arturo. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing great, and thank you for being patient, and I will see you guys on my next video.